hold on before you put her in a car. Do you crap yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, I
Okay.
did.
When it comes to consuming alcohol, most people decide to quit when they hit rock bottom. In my opinion, getting arrested for DUI and pooping in your pants is pretty close to rock bottom. This is one of those.
Yep.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Well, something is going on because you were slumped over.
I'm sitting in my car waiting
For what?
for nothing.
Okay.
Instantly, if I see a person slumped over the wheel, the glassy eyes, a slurred speech, I'm thinking either a medical situation or DUI.
I'm confused as to why someone is concerned about why I'm sitting in my car.
Because you're slumped over and people saw you at the bar for a long period of time.
I'm sitting in my car though. I'm
Okay,
not
here's the
doing
deal.
anything.
Right now, I'm going to explain the law to you. Right now, you're in actual physical control of this vehicle. You're intoxicated. I can tell that. And you can let me finish. Hold that thought. You can be arrested for DUI. So here's your option. A, I want you to give me your driver's license.
No, I'm not driving, so no, I'm not.
I've already explained you the statute. I want your driver's
I'm
license.
not going to give it to you. Sorry. I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting
Bravo,
in my
2235
car. I'm not
there.
moving. So sorry, I'm not going to give you my driver's license.
1069 code 2, please. Shut the car off.
No, I'm not doing.
Give me your driver's license.
I'm not going to.
You're required by law to give me your driver's
No, I'm
license
not.
right
I'm
now.
not doing anything.
1069 code 2 and taking the keys, that's requesting another unit and taking the keys so she can't drive off. Good move by the officer.
I'm telling you right now, as a law enforcement officer, that you're required by law to give me your driver's license. Don't make this more difficult than it needs to be. Give me your driver's license or go to jail.
I'm not going to jail. 'Cause
You
I've
will
done
if you
nothing
don't give me
wrong.
your driver's
I
license.
have done nothing wrong. I'm sitting in a car in a parking lot. I have done nothing wrong, and you're
You're
here.
about to. Give me your driver's
About
license.
to means nothing. It's not law. Sorry.
So
But
are you trying to tell me that you know the law better than me?
I do. Because
Okay, explain the
about
law to me.
About to doesn't mean anything.
Okay, explain the law to me then. Then why you are not required to provide your driver's license as required by Florida
Because
statute.
I haven't done anything.
I'm going to explain it to you again. You are in actual physical control of this vehicle.
I am not. I am
You are.
sitting in a parking
The
lot.
definition of actual physical control. You have access to the keys, which I just removed from you, and you are in the driver's seat. So give me your driver's license, or this gets much worse for you. Now,
No, sorry. I'm not going to.
if you don't, you're going to end up out of the car in handcuffs. Do you understand?
I do understand.
So give me your driver's license.
I'm not going to.
Okay, that's obstruction. Do you know what obstruction is?
I know.
It's
all
called
the things-
resisting without violence.
Yeah, I haven't done.
I'm
anything.
giving you a lawful command.
So what you're doing is you have no reason to do anything.
I 100% do.
No, you do not.
Ma'am.
Because I've done nothing.
I have a manager right here who is going to attest to me that you've been at the bar for however long you were here
I
for.
have not removed a vehicle or done anything. I'm sitting in a parking lot.
Actual physical control. I've already said it to you. That's the third time I've said it to you. I'm giving you one more chance to give me your driver's license, and then if not, you're going to get ripped out of the car, put into handcuffs, or you could just simply give me your driver's license. You want to end up in handcuffs?
A couple things to unpack here. So I'm looking at the car, I see the Porsche emblem on the steering wheel, and I see the lady's responses, and she looks like she has a bit of entitlement, and I'm not calling it Porsche entitlement because some people who drive Porsches are really cool people. Nothing against Porsche drivers, however. But the actual physical control is confusing a lot of people have in most jurisdictions. If you are inside your vehicle, even if it's not running, if you are in the driver's seat, have the keys. If you're not in the driver's seat in some jurisdictions, if you have keys and you're in actual physical control of that vehicle, you can still be charged with driving under the influence of alcohol or driving while intoxicated. Every jurisdiction varies a little bit, and a lot of people are confused. They're like, I'm not driving. I got in my car because I wanted some air conditioning and I knew I was drunk and I didn't want to drive. Having those keys, it's a situation.
I have another deputy coming here, and when they get here, you're getting removed. So you either give me your driver's license or you're getting removed from the vehicle. Why are you being difficult with me? I'm simply asking you for your driver's license. That's all I'm asking for. Okay, and I'm simply asking you for your driver's license. It's a simple request, no?
No,
It's not?
it's not.
Why?
Because I haven't done anything. You have no reason
I've already
to ask
told
for
you.
my license
This
or
will be the
anything.
fourth time I'm explaining it to you. Actual physical control of the vehicle when you are clearly under the influence. When I walked
I am
up to...
sitting in a parking lot with the
You are
vehicle
in actual physical control of the vehicle.
with the air conditioner on. I'm doing nothing. I'm not driving, nothing.
Did I
Let's
say
take it
you
to
were
court.
driving?
Let's take it to court.
Did I say you were
because I'm
driving?
not doing anything with the vehicle.
Did I
I'm
say you were
sitting
driving?
in a parking lot, not dying of heat. That's all I'm doing.
You are now because you refuse to listen to me.
Girl, I'm 58 years old. There is no fucking way
Then
you're gonna
you're
up-
grown enough to know better. I'm 53. Who cares? Why does age matter?
It does matter.
Tell me why.
Because you're
Tell me why.
trying to make me feel like that I need to do something that is not.
Oh, I'm
legally-
telling you, you need to do
I
something.
do not.
I've learned in my experience that trying to debate with people who are under the influence of alcohol usually doesn't go anywhere. And the officer is just doing this volley that's just becomes fruitless at some point. Hopefully when the sergeant gets there, he shuts it down.
Right, so here's what's going to happen. When the other deputy gets here, we're going to take you out of the car, we're going to put you in handcuffs, and then I'm going to get your driver's license anyway.
That'll be fun. So let's do that.
I don't think you will enjoy it. Nobody likes being in handcuffs.
You won't enjoy it when we go to court. So go ahead, because I haven't done anything.
Why can't you just...
Because I'm sitting in a parking lot. I have done nothing wrong.
I've explained it to you several times now, and the fact that you keep making me explain it just
There's
verifies to
nothing
me
wrong
that
with
you
a
are
human-
in fact intoxicated.
I might be intoxicated, but I've done nothing wrong.
Actual
Intoxicated.
physical control, that's the 5th time.
I have not done anything wrong.
6th time, that's actual physical control, which is a violation. I'm going to say it to you again. You can go to jail. You're in actual physical control. You are under the influence, and you can go to jail for DUI.
Because I'm
so give me your...
in a vehicle.
Let me explain
doing
something to you.
nothing.
I want you to stop talking, and I want you to listen. I am willing to let you get a ride home. If you don't, I'm taking you to jail. So give me your driver's license or go to jail. And you will spend at least 8 hours in jail because you are, in fact, under the influence. And you will not go home until at least 8 hours. So give me your driver's license and I will let you get a ride home, and you won't go to jail for obstruction, and you won't go to jail for a DUI. This is my last request.
Well, I'm going to wait for your guy because I'm sitting in a parking lot. I'm doing nothing. I'm sitting in a car. I have not driven. And if you
Get out.
No.
Get out now.
No, ma'am. I am not getting. Ma'am, do not pull me out of the car. Oh my God. This is like YouTube. Stop.
What's YouTube?
Whatever you're doing, are you crazy?
You're not listening to me, so get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Nope.
All right. She's refusing to get out of the car. She's refusing.
Step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
Why are
I'm
you
Sergeant
getting
with the County Sheriff's Office.
For
You're being
what?
placed under arrest. Step out of the vehicle
What?
now.
for what? For
I'll explain that
what?
to you once you're in handcuffs. You understand me? Do not resist.
Oh my God. For what?
I've explained it to you 6
No,
times.
Stop
I am not.
resisting.
Oh my God, I
Put
am
your arm
not.
back down and
I-
relax. Do you
I
hear
am-
what I'm saying?
I am not
Relative
doing
to the
anything.
Yes.
Sergeant shutdown. It's not a person, it's a mode. I do have a critique of the female officer in addition to the fact that she kept going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It just gets emotions on both sides going. But the other thing is, why open the door and engage the suspect before the sergeant gets there when you see that he arrived and you could have waited 20 seconds so that you can make a plan? Say, okay, I'm gonna go hands on, I'll open the door. Because I'm gonna tell you, defense attorneys watch this channel and they look for stuff like just like that, because if it turns into something where this lady gets hurt, well, what was your game plan? Why when you see them, you ought to of a sudden decide to go hands-on? Why not just converse with them and say, okay, Sarge, this is what happened. This is how we're going to do it. You want me to do this? And then it makes it so much better. Have a plan. It makes much more sense.
You are pulling away, and that is
I
resisting.
am not doing anything.
At this time. So they said she's been at the bar for several hours. When they came up to the window, she was slumped over, car running. She's been just not listening the entire time. Asked her to give me her driver's license about, 18 times, and she keeps telling you no, she's not doing anything wrong. That's where we are right now.
Okay.
I told her, I said, give me your driver's license, we'll get somebody to get you a ride home, and she still refused. Did I not warn you that this was going to happen? Did I not say that? You're going to sit in my car for right now.
Hey. Just hold on before you put her in a car. Did you crap yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, I
Okay.
did.
All right. Let's go over here.
I'm really confused because I did not leave here. I'm
Okay.
sitting in the car, and she's being very belligerent.
Okay.
And I did not say I was leaving.
Okay.
I'm sitting.
Well, ma'am, we got calls that you were passed out at the wheel.
But
When
I'm
you're-
sitting in my car, but
Okay.
that's not.
But that is in control of your vehicle, which
But
is
I-
against the law.
no,
if you're intoxicated.
I'm not moving. It
No,
is
ma'am,
not.
I mean, if you know more than me, then you're welcome to be
well,
your own
but
lawyer.
it's not moving.
Okay,
Then I do
you're in
know.
control of it when you are in there with the keys. So if you would have gave her your driver's license, maybe we would have gone a different route. But when you don't follow our lawful orders, and when you're not compliant with those orders, then this is what happens.
Watch your head when you sit in.
Lot to share here and unpack. This is the type of video that you should share because we all know a person who, when they consume alcohol, sometimes they make incredibly unwise choices and they don't want to listen. I don't know of any more rock bottom than the middle of July, pooping your pants and arrested in the back of a police car. At that age, she said she was 58 years old. The other thing is that officer's vehicle, which we sometimes call Code Brown, is now out of service because someone else has to be placed in that car. And the officer has to transport this lady in the middle of July to jail with that smell. And of all things, the poetic justice of her having white shorts on when she acts this way, not the way to go. If you are the person who drinks to this degree and has this challenge, watch this video and think about making better choices and share this video with someone that you think that it can help in the future. Like, subscribe to the channel. There's a whole bunch of content like this. It's made for educational purposes so that people can learn more about policing and what goes on and how you can make yourself better. Click on the video that's on your screen so you can look at content just like this.